Good afternoon, welcome to my YouTube channel. This is video number 3. We have just taken out the squib. The squib is secured by 3 stock screws which fastened on 1, 2, 3, and they're very, very tight ones. I don't know if you can see them down here. That's a screw, this one there, the screws. The next thing, going to move the controllers. This is also secured by this stock screw, which we're going to take out. Once again, the objective here is to replace the harness, which messages are identified as a cause of the SRS light illuminated with a code 9103, something like that. Yeah, so we're just going to take off the controller now, and after that we should have access to the harness which we're going to replace. And this is the harness we are replacing. We bought this one from Mercedes dealer for £30. Okay guys, I'll post more videos. I'll try to combine them all in one. Thank you, bye.